Well, good morning, everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Baidillah Usman from Faculty of Nursing, Jember University. In this opportunity to deliver my speech, with the golden opportunity, I would like to deliver a speech about young father-child relationship pattern and nutrition status among under 5 children in Jember Regency, Indonesia. As we know that the prevalence of nutrition problem among under 5 children in Indonesia is still quite high. The basic health research conducted by the Ministry of Health in 2018 showed that 17.7% of under 5 children still had problem of nutrition status, including malnutrition and less nutrition. Furthermore, nutrition problems among children are caused by many factors, one of which is the involvement in father in parenting. Previous research indicate that where many average age of father from 16 years old till 13 years old. Based on the data Indonesia Law of Marriage 2019, the rate of early marriage in Indonesia is very high because of several factors including parental economic, education, and customary factors. To early marriage age affects the ability of father to solve the problems properly. Previous research showed that father who work too hard to fulfill their family economic needs have direct impact on children eating pattern and giving caring their children. Meanwhile, father who have longer working hours are increased for the children for consuming unhealthy food. Whereas these young fathers have an important role in decision making, protection for family rights, and providing motivation of their wife. Therefore, the age of father must be mature for developing the family well. This condition result in reduced relationship between father and their children. In contrary, to care and stimulate the growth, the development of children are mother responsibilities in the Indonesian context. However, young father for stimulation their children was still limited that needed supporting for family. The aim of this study was to identify the correlation between the pattern of relationship between father and their children nutrition status among underfed children in Jember Regency, Indonesia. A cross-sectional study design was performed from September to December 2019. The participants were 39 young fathers aged 17 until 19 years old who have an infant aged 0 until 5 years old. They were recruited using total sampling technique, respondent characteristic, and child-parent relationship were measured using the child-parent relationship scale Scott form questionnaire. The respondent filled out a sheet of the questionnaire accompanied by the research as a facilitator through a link Google Sheet link format. And a chi-square test was used and to analyze the relationship between young father egg and their children nutritional status. Based on the result of this study, so that there is a correlation between the child-parent relationship of young father and the nutrition status of their children. The high father-child relationship is more likely to be 12 times for a change of good nutrition of their children. The results of this study are in line with previous study that the involvement of that affect nutrition status of a toddler. Father involvement is not just about interaction with children, but also must pay attention to development, be able to make emotional closeness and comfort. The relationship between father and child support the improvement of nutritional status, so that it can reduce the incidence of malnutrition. Therefore, to improve the nutrition status among the children, fathers should be involved in child-parent relationship. Furthermore, qualitative studies are needed regarding the result of the father-child under 5 relationship with the nutritional status of toddler. Okay, I think maybe that's all from me. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.